Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison. If this is your first time here, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so we're going to create this pretty much Joah only makeup look. I do have some things from other brands because either one, my little girl, oh shit, how old is she? 9-year-old little girl. She keeps freaking stealing. No, she's 10. I got a 10 and an 11-year-old, not 9 and 10. I keep wanting to make them younger. Anyways, this is either they stole my, or she stole my makeup, or I don't know where it is, or they don't have something in that category. Okay. All right, now let's get into it. So the first one is the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. I really love this stuff so freaking much. Just because it's like really cheap. It does the job. It makes my eyeshadow stay on exactly the way I put it on at the beginning of the day, and it lasts through a 8.5 hour working day. Which, to be honest, let's be for real. Pretty much stand around all day and maybe do actual 30 minutes of actual work. But anyways, that's the most awesome job ever. So easy, but not enough hours. Anyways, okay, next thing. I got the newest Joah eyeshadow palettes. And this first one that I am currently showing you was the Lavender Fields palette. The second one I am showing you, or I did show you, oh my gosh, I keep dropping stuff, Nudist Colony. And the one I'm actually using today is the Amazonian. So it's the Amazonian, oh my gosh, the Joah Amazonian eyeshadow palette. And this white color right here is the waterfall color in it, which is like a bone color. And it did great. This eyeshadow palette is much better than the old ones, by the way. And the next color I am using, what is that color? That is Jungle? Yes, this is Jungle, and I'm going to put this all over the eyelid, pack it on with the that's actually a Joah eyeshadow brush you see right there. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. All of this at CVS or on the Joah website. I can find better deal. Well, okay, so I ordered this from CVS because I had the 10 extra bucks. So that was a better deal this time around. But I just did order some more new Joah products. They had a new BB cream and they had a new blur powder. So that was a better sale going on the Joah's website. So just check both before you buy to get the best deal. But yeah, yeah, I love this. I love this eyeshadow really a lot. Anyways, I'm using a different eyeshadow brush. I don't even know which one that was, but it's a fluffier brush. Okay, and then I'm going to use, what is this color? I'm trying to figure it out because it's like on the opposite side. Okay, I think that is, I don't know, Akai? Whatever, it's that red color. I'm putting it on the outer V, middle to the outer V, and then I'm gonna blur it, or not blur it, but I'm gonna blend it out. Blend it out is the word I'm looking for, just so it's more seamless and blended. And then I'm going to use this shimmer shade, which is Clay. That is the color Clay, which I think I'm saying this color right. Clay? Yeah. I'm still getting confused, switching it back and forth. Wait, I thought we already used no, okay. This one is Club. And okay, so the other, the Clay color was on the inner corner lid part, and then in the middle is going to be club. And that was the most weird one out of all 6 shades, was the club color. It was just I don't know, it was just different. And then we're going to use Cocoa. Yeah, Cocoa. And we're going to put this on the outer V, just on the lid part. We're going to blend it out a little bit, but not too much for real. But yeah, I'm going to pack it on. And this did kind of, I think it's because I was layering it on so many other layers of eyeshadow, but it was a little bit patchy, but it definitely looked beautiful at the end. It just took a little bit more work than the other mattes in this palette. But overall, I love this palette. I'm going to continue using it at least for 6 days. But anyways, this is I just bought this, but it's not the newest of the new, but I just bought it and I love it. It's the Joah Line Up Liquid Eyeliner. Yeah, it's a great felt tip. So far, I have not had any issues with it not being really black or bleeding, or let's see what other. It's definitely not clunky, but it's a felt tip. It doesn't seem like it's going to run out too fast, but like, this is new, so I don't really know yet, but so far it's promising. And then I'm going to use something outside the Joah brand. It's another Essence brand. It's the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I'm going to put this on before putting on my falsies like I normally do. I think I forgot to show you the other eyeliner I used. Anyway, I'm using the Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive with my Diva LA Colors lashes. Okay, so I've never noticed this before this lash shopping trip. Like, I remember trying these lashes like a year ago, and they didn't have this problem, but it might be because I didn't really have that much experience doing falsies. I'm gonna yell at my kids. They're having fun. Anyway, they was peeling up in the corners just a little bit, but anyway, I love them. They're only $1. Okay, another Joah product. What is this one called exactly? Joah Pore De-Activator Pore Minimizing and Mattifying Primer. I absolutely love this stuff, and unfortunately, you'll see in a little bit, I get mad because I'm really low on this stuff. I really need to get it back up. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. It just makes my face feel so silky and luxurious, and it just makes everything that I put on top. I don't know if it's the newer products I'm putting on top or how I'm applying my makeup, but it just makes it looks like skin-like. I mean, a beautiful skin-like. And then this is going to be like a foundation, okay? But it's only a concealer. So I'm going to use the Joah Truly Yours Dark Circle Concealer. And this is in the color Brightener. I'm going to put it under my eyes and a little bit up on my bad spots, or like old sore spots. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm just going to blend it. I'm going to blend it into my skin until I can't even see it's there anymore, except for it did its job and brightened my under eyes and got rid of the little bit of dark circles I have. But yeah, I really love this concealer. It's good for, I would say this would be the perfect thing for summertime. You know what I mean? Like, you don't want to wear too much makeup, but you want something to, you know, just makes you look like you've had a little bit more sleep or rest or younger. You know what I mean? Anyways, and I couldn't find the brush I normally use, but this did the job. It's just a flat brush. Just use a flat brush. Yeah, just use a flat brush. I normally use my beauty blender, but doing it this way it just does a little bit better in my opinion. I don't know why. I tried both ways and I like this way better. So, yeah. And then I'm going to go in with a new Joah product, if I can find it. I think that's one of the products that fell on the floor while I was doing this voice earlier. Okay, this is the Joah Crystal Glow Tinted Luminizer. And I forgot. Okay, this is the darkest one that they have on their website. I ordered that one because I wanted to play with like a cream contour. I know it doesn't say contour, but it's tinted, and yeah, I don't know. I just had the idea. I was really wanting a cream stick, and then this product came out, and I was like, I want to try that like that. And it's perfect. I've never really done cream contour before, but this is just so effortlessly blended out. I would say if you want to practice the cream contour game, I would say get this because it blends out so beautifully, perfect. So beautiful. And I'm not a pro at doing this. I mean, it might look like I know what I'm, maybe not right here, but it might look like I know what I'm doing on makeup, but I promise you, all I do is practice. I mean, right here, I'm trying to push it in the hairline, so it's not like so white all of a sudden, because I'm really white compared to this. But look, it just looks, and you're going to see when I use the lighter color on top of it to clean it up, it's going to look perfect. It's going to, I promise you. Okay, this next shade, it's still the same thing I was using, but this is the Crystal Glow Tinted Luminizer from Joah, and this color is Vanilla, which is the perfect shade for me. Perfect. I was stunned. And look, see how I'm putting it right here, right below that contour. And I'm going to put it on my forehead, a little bit down my nose, which is not necessary. Did I? Okay. Did I put it on the nose? Oh, I put it on the bow. Okay. So I do it different every day. It depends what my niche that day is. And I've been using this for like a week. I should have filmed it, but I've been working. So, but I'll be having a lot of off days soon. Anyways, yeah, I'm just blending out with my hand because for some reason, this part, it worked better with my fingers. I guess, I don't know. I just thought it worked better on my fingers most of the time. I kind of went back and forth. I was trying to figure it out, you know, because this is when I think this was the second time I ever like put it on. Maybe the third time. I don't know. I think it was the second time because I couldn't work. I could not do first impressions. I'm sorry, y'all. I just couldn't wait. I've had this, but it's a Joah product. It is the, what is it called? Joah Selfie Ready Setting Powder in the color Translucent. I need to get a backup of this because it is a very good one from the drugstore, y'all. Very good. Like, really good. I like it a lot. I'm going to continue buying it. That's for sure. It's one of my favorites. Yes. Yeah, you saw me set it under the eyes at first. I always like to do this. Pretty much here lately. And then I'm going to use the big fluffy brush to put it on the rest of my face and wipe away that excess from the under eye. It's kind of like a bake, but not really. Oh, this is a newer one. This is the Joah Crystal Glow Jelly Balm Highlighter. Look at that. I wish I could show you, like, better than what it's actually showing. It's like, it's not glitter, y'all. It's more than shimmer, but not a glitter. It's kind of sheer, but you see, like, finer than glitter on your face. It's a big ass shimmer. Yeah, I guess that's the best way. Anyways, brow dry. Okay, Joah Brow Down to Me wooden brow pencil. Yeah, that was the next thing I pulled out of my drawer that was from Noah in the brow section. They got plenty of brow options, but I like this one too. I like all of them, really. This is the new Joah Crystal Glow Refreshing Luminizer Skin Mist. It says with crystallide and hyaluronic acid, 80 milliliters. It's the finest mist I have ever used, y'all. The finest mist. Beautiful, perfect. I love it. You definitely need to try this. It's at the drugstore and it's a setting spray. Try it, okay? Joah CVS, they always have good sales going on, so yeah. And then I went in with that, what is it? Jungle Color again, which was the matte orange shade out of the palette, and I put that on my under eyes. Then I'm going to use this lipstick, which is a Smacaron matte velvet lipstick from Joah. And what is this color? I'm trying to do the voiceover and read it at the same time, which it is something with S. Oh, the color was Smacaron. Huh. I did not realize that until just now. I've been using a lot of different Joah lip products here lately, but this color went really good with the eyeshadow look. In my opinion, it was perfect. And I didn't decide to overline my lips today. I went really glamorous with the eyes, so I went subtle with the lips. But yeah, that's it. Pretty much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, buddies. Bye!